How to install Google Camera or GCam in any Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after that, launch the Play Store application to download the GCam app. So let's search for GCam application on our Play Store, and here you can see I've already installed the application. As you do that, you can just tap on open, and as you tap on open, it will take us to the home page of the Camera GCam application on our device. So just make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection to get the process even more faster. Here you can go premium as well by unlocking all the feature and remove the ads, but let me just start with free trial, which is a 7-day free trial. So let's tap on the start free trial. And as you do that, you'll be able to see different ads, and then you'll be able to also enjoy the use of GCam over here. So just give that permissions over here, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.